What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you my process on how to draw and color Akaza from Demon Slayer. Let's begin today's lesson by laying a rough pencil sketch of our drawing. We're going to start right in the middle and sketch out a circle. So start right at the very top. Just going to lightly work our way around towards the bottom of our circle. Now you don't want to go too dark because we'll eventually erase this out. Just going around the right side using these short lines. Now with our circle in place, let's add some guidelines. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Sketch a line coming all the way down towards the bottom of our page. And then we'll extend that up towards the top. Let's add another line on the side of our circle. So we'll start on the left, coming all the way down and up towards the top. And then do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a few more guidelines going across from left to right. So we'll start from the center of our circle, go all the way out towards the left and right side, go up to the top, and we'll do the same thing along the bottom to create a box around our circle. Now from here we start blocking out the facial features. Let's start by locating the inside corner of the eyes. From the center, let's step out towards the left, sketch a line coming down towards the bottom, and we'll take that same distance over on the right and do the same thing. Now let's find the halfway point between the center of our circle and the bottom. So right here, sketch a line going out towards the left and right side. Now I'm going to place the eyes along this line. So from this point, sketch a line going up and out on both sides. I'm just going to angle this up and out towards the side of our circle. From the outside of our circle, let's step in, sketch a line coming down and in. And we'll come down and in towards the inside corner of the eye. Let's tuck the pupils in underneath the eyelid. On the left side, we're going to sketch a circle, coming down and then back up. So just drawing the half circle. Now from the outside corner of the eye, we're going to step up, draw the eyebrow, going up and in. And we'll angle it down and in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So going up and out, angle this down toward the top corner of the eye. Now I'm going to place the nostrils along the bottom of our circle. So from the center, step out, curve this up and out, and the same thing on the right. Go to the bottom of our circle, step down, just going to mark off the mouth with a short line, curve the mouth going out and up toward the left and right side. Let's go back to the center, step down, just draw a short line going across the lower lip. Now that we have the basic shape of the face, let's move out to the side and draw on the jawline. From the side of the circle, draw a straight angled line, going down and in towards that bottom line. Go back to the bottom lip, step down, just mark off the chin with a short line. And then from the jaw, just we curve this down and then bend that in towards the center. Let's add the ears along the side of the head. From the left side of our circle, we're going to step out, sketch a line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Angle this down and in towards the side of the head. Now from the side of our circle, we're going to step up and add a curve. We're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then bring that down towards the right. And this is for the edge of the hairline. Now you want to add a guide for the outside edge of the hair. Starting from the top of the left ear, you curve this out, pull that in, and round out the top, come all the way around the right side, and then in on top of the ear. Let's go back to the jaw and step in, curve the neck, coming down and in on both sides. And we'll move up and slope the shoulders, coming down and out. Let's go back to the side of the jaw, come down and just bend that in on both sides. Now we're going to go back and add some shadow lines across the head. Let's start on the left side on top of the eye, curve this up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside, curve in around the eye and just pull that down. Let's go back up to the top, come in, and bend that out towards the side, and go up and out, go up and in. Let's go over towards the right side, curve around the eye, and bring that down on the inside. Connect the top and bottom with a slight curve. Now I'm going to add those rings along the side of the head. Let's start from the top left, curve this in. It's going to overlap the eye and then bend that out towards the jaw. And we'll do the same thing on the right, coming in, around the eye, and then back out. Now I want to draw that same curve 5 more times along the inside. So step in, and using that same gap, going all the way out. Now let's add that stripe coming down the center. From the top, step out, straight down in between the eyes. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to move out and add those points along the side of the head. Let's start from the left side, go out and down, and take that back up, pull this out and in. I'm just going to repeat this all the way up towards the top of the head. Just adding these points. Also change directions, coming down, pull that in toward the center, and then we'll just work our way across the right side. Now let's add some texture inside the hair. From the center, let's step over towards the right, curve this up and across. Same thing on the right, come down and back in. Let's add another point over on the left, and then the right side. Just gonna add a bit more along the top, some along the side. Now that we have a rough sketch in place, let's add some details with our ink pen. We'll start with the inside corner of the left eye. Just going to trace this out, adding a little bit more shape as we go, going all the way out towards the outside of the eyelash. And just adding some points along the outside, coming in. And I'm just going to pull this back in towards the inside of the eye. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Start by tracing out the top, and then pull those points along the bottom. Add some texture along the inside. So I'll switch back to my Sharpie marker and start detailing off the mouth. I'm just going to work my way across the edge of the hairline. working our way around the ears and adding this fold inside. And now just working our way around the perimeter of the head. Just finish off the inking with a little bit more detail around the neck. Once we've completed our inking stage, we'll go back and erase our guidelines. Now we're going to go in and start coloring our drawing, starting with the color blocks first. just using a medium gray to add some shadows across the body. We're just adding some rough characters inside the eyes. And as we get closer to the end, we'll touch up our drawing with a few more details, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Akaza from Demon Slayer. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.